it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm sharing with you a quick and easy DIY sparkly card. Now this card was inspired by Connie Stewart. She's a well-known artist from Simply Simple Stamping, I think it is. She did a card, she called it a super quick DIY glimmer card, I believe, and so that's where I got this inspiration from. So I basically just took the idea that she did and just used the supplies that I had to create the same type of cards. Now she's with Simply Simple Stamping, so they have their own stamp sets, I believe, and I just used the stamps that I went through the stamps that I had, just sort of picked out the ones that I thought would work for this little project. So basically taken her inspiration and just kind of put my own twist on it. And so this is the card that I came up with after watching her video. And so she did this diagonal stamping on hers, and she used just a thin little line of kind of glittery silver, I think it was. Now I'm not sure if hers is tape or a sticker type adhesive that she put on hers for the glimmer part, and then she put a different sentiment on her card as well. But I just kind of took the idea and used the stamps that I had. So she had flowers on hers as well, and so I went through my stamps, and I'll show you the ones that I used for this card. Let's see. I just had this package that I think I picked this one up at Dollar Tree like years ago, and it's just got a whole bunch of different size flowers and different designed flowers on there. So I used I think 3 different ones, and picked those from there and just used them on my little acrylic stamping block here, and put them on here. And with this design, what you do is just kind of put a piece of paper or cardstock along the edge, the angle that you want, and then just you can do some overlap stamping, and just do it that way to get this creative look here. And let's see, for the sentiment on that one, I used Happy Birthday, and this was from this stamp set here. It's called Vintology, it looks like, stamp and stencil set. And there's the Happy Birthday on there. So that's what I used for that. And then I did a second one, and used some different flowers on here. These ones are some daisies that I had, and that was from this, just a simple set that I had picked up a while back, and it's got daisies with some stems on it. I just used the ones that just have the daisy heads on there, and just kind of mixed and matched and stamped them out in the different colors again and on the angle. And use this is the silver, is the Scotch brand just tape here, and that worked really nice for the sparkle on there. And then for this stamp on here, I used, let's see, friends are the best medicine. I thought that was really cute saying for a girlfriend, and so I used that stamp on here. And then I took the, let's see, it's the liquid pearls, and I put that around the edge of that stamp on there. So that just added a really nice touch to that one. You can see that. And so far I've just left the insides blank on those. And then I came along and did a third one, and I did this one a little differently. Instead of doing the angle here like that, I just did down the edge of the card. So I used the daisy stamp here, and I used the smaller one with the little stem, and I just kind of stamped it all the way down the side, just kind of offsetting it. So that turned out really good. And I used the Scotch glitter tape down the center there, or close to the center, and I used one of my stitch label rectangle labels that I cut out with my die cut machine. So, and then I put Happy Birthday to You on there with a stamp, and just added some little embellishments on there. Oh, and also on the back of this one, I took my gold ink pad and just kind of lightly sponged it on here. So I'm not sure if you can see, but there's little gold flecks on the background. there. And I think that turned out really nice. Just kind of added another effect to the card. But those were kind of fun to do, and they didn't take very long. And yeah, I hope you feel inspired to do that. I will put a link to Connie Stewart's original card that she did, where I got the inspiration from. And you can check that out. And I hope you feel inspired to create some of these yourself. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.